A pre-owned 2020 Jeep Wrangler Sport. This two-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with four-wheel drive and a 8-speed shiftable O transmission. This Jeep has less than 190,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.